And as Darjeeling continues to be tense, the GJM continues its fight for Gorkha land. The clashes left 3 dead, and Republic brings you the special report from Reling, the town where Mahesh Gurung hailed from. And he was killed later. And remember, this is the only channel to reach Reling. This inspired Republic, which has been blackened out in Darjeeling. Our relentless coverage on the Darjeeling unrest continues.
Republic TV is the only channel to have reached Reling, one of the most politically prominent GTA constituency, and history has it. Reling has witnessed 1986, the worst of 1986 uprising. 18 lives from this particular constituency were lost in 1986 movement, which was led by JNLF leader Subhash K. Singh, and once again Mahesh Gurung from this very constituency also was the casualty of those alleged unprovoked firing by the security forces. And these are the kind of posters which are plastered all over Reling, talking about the youth of Reling will do whatever it takes to take their Gorkha land. While tracing the home of 24-year-old Mahesh Gurung, Republic has reached here at Gurung Gaon, Gurung village, and behind me this hill range covered with clouds. Just behind that is the Darjeeling city, and that's the distance Republic has travelled so far to tell you the story of 24-year-old GJM activist Mahesh Gurung, whose family claims that the alleged cross-firing by the security forces cost them his life. Republic has reached Mahesh Gurung's house just behind me with the blue cover sheet on it. Extremely in the most extreme, inaccessible, at the remotest corner of Reling constituency is this Gurung Gaon, where 24-year Mahesh Gurung lived. Republic has finally reached the house of deceased 24-year-old Mahesh Gurung, and these are all his friends from neighbouring villages who also call themselves the sepoys of the Gorkha Janmukti Morcha. Well, as far as the family of anyone who have lost their loved ones, this has always been a tragic moment. Let's try and talk to them and understand what really happened. Is Mahesh Gurung just another victim of conflict? Or perhaps did he do anything to actually trigger the alleged unprovoked firing from the security forces?
रेली शांति से भाग लेने गए थे। अब सीआरपी से गोली क्यों मारा? बंगाल सरकार की नीति क्या होगा?
बंगाल सरकार की गोली से मेरा छोरा मृत्यु हो गया। मेरा भाई बहुत अच्छा है, ये वो से काम नहीं कर सकता, जैसे वो गुंडागर्दी नहीं कर सकता। हमारे भाई एक ऐसा बेटा था जो धरती के लिए बहुत अच्छा काम करता था। हमारे माँ बाप को बहुत प्यारा बेटा है, वो कभी ऐसा काम नहीं करते।
Completely distraught family, unable to cope up with the loss of their loved ones. 24-year-old Mahesh Gurung, whom they're telling Republic that he's the same boy who had actually won all these prizes, cups and accolades and medals in participating in various sporting activities. And did he actually deserve the bullet? The big question coming from everybody, not only in Mahesh Gurung's household, but the entire Gurung village for the Chief Minister, is who actually ordered for that alleged unprovoked firing. And they are saying that those lives that have been lost in this round of Gorkha land movement, they'll make it sure that the sacrifices don't go waste. With video journalist Ashok, Sakal Bhatt from Gurung village in Reling, from Darjeeling for Republic.